How to install and configure Norscan's 4200 cable management system. The foundation of Norscan's locating system is our durable and reliable 4200 cable management system, designed for long-haul applications and smaller offices with 1 to 4 cable routes. Our cost-effective CMS generates a dependable locating tone signal that can be configured to match frequencies of any handheld receiver unit. If you have any questions regarding the installation of Norscan's 4200 CMS, we'll be happy to assist you by either live chat via norscan.com or toll free at 1-855-234-8334. Our customer support information is also available in the description box below. The short way. Step by step. The following material will also be found in our 4200 CMS packaging: 4 1/2-inch self-tapping screws, 2 adjustable brackets, 1 6-foot 9-pin serial cable, a 4200 CMS with AUIC application and operation user manual, a 4200 CMS multi-tone module user manual, and card seating instructions. You'll need the following equipment to successfully install Norscan's 4200 CMS: a Norscan 1303 system test set, or a digital multimeter, a power source, a phone line, an ESD strap, a 3/8-inch can wrench or nut driver, a 1/4-inch Phillips screwdriver, a 1/8-inch slotted standard screwdriver, a wire stripper, 7 fork connectors, and a crimper. Step 1. Safety. The 4200 CMS unit is ESD sensitive. When handling the electronic circuit boards, follow industry standard static strap protocols. Confirm the CMS is powered off before connecting the wires. Step 2. Rack mounting. The CMS dimensions are 3.5 inches high, or 2 units, 19 inches wide, and 12 inches deep. You'll need a minimum of 1 inch space above and below the CMS for optimal heat ventilation and air circulation. The CMS can be flush or center mounted in a standard 19-inch or 23-inch wide relay rack. The CMS comes ready to fit a 19-inch wide relay rack. If your relay rack is 23 inches wide, unscrew the bracket and flip it so that the short side of the bracket faces the CMS, then secure the screws. To finish step 2, level and secure the CMS within the rack using the provided self-tapping screws. Step 3. Card seating. To ensure the CMS will perform as required, you'll need to check that the cards are properly seated, as shifting sometimes occurs during shipping. Before you start, put on an ESD wrist strap connected to ground to prevent electrostatic damage when handling the internal components. Next, remove the back panel by loosening the 2 large thumb screws. Carefully push each card into the chassis to check each one is seated in the connector on the chassis' back panel. Replace and secure the back panel, then disconnect your ESD wrist strap. Step 4. Wire connections. Check that the CMS is powered off. To remove the terminal block cover on the back of the CMS, pinch each retention clip, then carefully pull the cover away. Loosen the screws for the -48 VDC, ground, line 1, line 2, tip, and ring positions with a 1/8-inch slotted or standard screwdriver. Next, strip a 5/8 to 1/2 inch insulation from the power source, TPA, and phone line wires. First, we'll connect the power source to the CMS. Using the 1303 system test set or a digital multimeter, test the power source's wires to see which indicates a negative DC voltage. Connect the negative wire to the CMS's -48 VDC position and secure its screws. Then connect the positive wire to the CMS's ground position. Next, we'll connect the TPA to the CMS. Securely bond the TPA's ground wires together with a terminal fork. Crimp a terminal fork onto line 1 and line 2. Now connect the TPA's bonded ground wires to the CMS's terminal block ground position. Then connect the TPA's line 1 wire to the CMS's line 1 position. And then connect the TPA's last wire, line 2, to the CMS's line 2 position. Secure all 3 screws back into place to finish connecting the TPA to the CMS. Now let's connect the phone wires to the CMS. Crimp a terminal 4 connector onto both wires. Connect one wire to the tip position and the other to the ring position, then secure both screws. To complete step 4, carefully push the terminal block cover over the retention clips to lock it back into place. Step 5. Interactive voice response. To communicate with the CMS, dial in using the phone number assigned to the system and the password. The IVR will help you activate a line, change a locate frequency, or customize a setting. If there is a point when interacting with the IVR that you'd like to listen to the menu options again, wait a few seconds and the menu options will automatically replay. The IVR procedures are also available in the 4200 CMS MTM user manual on pages 18 and 19. Step 6. Tone frequency programming. Optimal signal strength is achieved by placing the locate frequency on one cable route at a time. By default, the CMS is shipped with 4 preset locating frequencies: 577, 512, 9820, and 1020 Hz. To program the cable locate frequency, dial into the IVR, enter your password, then follow the prompts to change the frequency. You can pick from one of 4 pre-programmed frequencies, or customize up to 4 cable locate frequencies, ranging from 5 to 10,000 Hz. Step 7. Line naming. Giving each line a geographically descriptive name will help everyone understand where each line is in relation to the cable vault. To give a line a new name, call the IVR and enter your password. Press 9, then follow the prompts to choose a new line to rename. Step 8. Completing installation. To finish the installation, check the changes you made are accurate by either listening to the frequencies in the IVR menu or by looking at the CMS's LCD panel to confirm the frequency changes you just made are present. Norscan's 4200 cable management system installation and configuration is now complete.